Welcome to this session on electric discharge machining under the course on unconventional machining process. It is very important unconventional machining process which is most commonly used in small scale, medium scale as well as large scale industries. Previous units we have discussed about mechanical operational type process. Here we are going to discuss about electrical discharge machining process. This is the electronica type machine. This diagram shows how the electric spark generates during this machine process. EDM is a thermal erosion process whereby material is melted and vaporized from an electrically conductive workpiece immersed in a liquid dielectric with a series of spark discharges between the tool electrode and the workpiece created by a power supply. EDM is mainly used to machine difficult to machine materials and high strength temperature resistance alloys such as hardened tool steels, carbides, titanium, hastelloy, covar, and inconel, which are difficult to machine with traditional techniques. Since spark discharges occur in EDM, it is also called as spark machining, spark eroding, die sinking, or wire erosion. History of EDM. In 1710, English physicist Joseph Priestley studied the erosive effect of electrical discharge. Furthering Priestley's research, the EDM process was invented by two Soviet husband and wife scientists, Dr. B.R. Lazarenko and Dr. N.A. Lazarenko in 1943. In their efforts to explore the destructive effects of an electrical discharge, they developed a hand-rolled process for machining of metals. With that idea, the EDM process was born. Their initial process used a spark machining process named after the succession of sparks that took place between two electrical conductors immersed in a dielectric fluid. In this photograph, we can see Mr. and Mrs. Lazarenko at the presentation of the Herredo D1 machine at the exhibition in Italy. This is the first EDM machine developed in the world. In 1969, AG launched the world's first numerically controlled wire-cut EDM machine. Then Seibu developed the first CNC wire EDM machine in 1972 and the first system was manufactured in Japan. Initially, EDM was used primarily to remove broken taps and drills from expensive parts. Through the years, the machines have improved drastically as from RC circuit power supplies and vacuum tubes to solid-state transistor with nanosecond pulsing, from crude hand-feed electrodes to modern CNC hand-rolled simultaneous 6-axis machining. Principle of EDM. In this particular concept is developed by the spark developed in the switch. When we have the male and female things in the switch box, here the metal removal from the both points when power supply is given. The evolution of EDM by the scientist Lazarenko is the initiation for this particular EDM process. The material is removed from the workpiece by a series of rapidly recurring electric discharges between two electrodes separated by a dielectric fluid by an electric erosion effect. A necessary condition for producing a discharge is the ionization of the dielectric, that is splitting of its molecule into ions and electrons. Physical principle of EDM. First one, charge of an electrode. Second one, bring the electrode near a metal workpiece. Third, as the two conductors get close through a spark will across a dielectric fluid. This spark will burn a small hole in the electrode and workpiece. Now the process takes place. as continuous steps 1 and 3 until a hole the shape of the electrode is formed. Working of EDM. This is actually the schematic of this EDM process. It consists of a shaped tool or wire electrode and the workpiece. Generally, the tool is connected to the negative terminal of the power supply and the workpiece is connected to the positive terminal of the power supply to create a potential difference between the workpiece and the tool. The tool and work material are immersed in a dielectric medium. A small gap of 10 to 100 micron is maintained between the tool and workpiece. When the potential difference is sufficiently high, a transient spark discharges through the fluid, removing a very small amount of metal from the workpiece. From this particular first diagram, wave diagram, we can understand, and also in right side diagram, step A, the pre-breakdown, voltage applied between the electrode and the workpiece. B, breakdown, dielectric breakdown, creation of the plasma channel. C, discharge, heating, melting and vaporizing of the workpiece material. D, end of the discharge, plasma implosion, removing the molten metal ore. E, post discharge, solidifying and flushing of the eroded particles by the dielectric. The material erosion mechanism primarily makes use of electrical energy and turns into thermal energy through a series of discrete electric discharges occurring between the electrode and workpiece immersed in a dielectric fluid. The thermal energy generates a channel of plasma between the cathode and the anode at a temperature in the range of 8000 to 12,000 degrees centigrade or as high as 20,000 degrees centigrade, initiating a substantial amount of heating and melting of material at the surface of each pole. When the pulsating direct current supply occurring at the rate of approximately 20,000 to 30,000 Hz is turned off, the plasma channel breaks down. This causes a sudden reduction in the temperature, allowing the circulating dielectric fluid to implode the plasma channel and flush the molten material from the fold surfaces in the form of microscopic debris. Next session, we are going to discuss about the equipment used in EDM process. Thanks for watching this video. Active online learning and happy machining. Thank you.